How to restore a previous version of a Wix site. So here I am in my Wix website dashboard, and then from here, let's go to the website editor. So we can just simply click edit site and it should automatically open in a new tab. I already have my tab open right here, and then here is my Wix website editor. So I have my website right here. And for example, if you make like a change to your website, so for example, let's say I change the text right here. So for example, I delete the finds word and this text mask or this text block. I can simply just use undo to restore the previous version. Or if you have like a previous version where you edited your Wix website in like another day, what you can do is that you can access your site history. So to do that, you can go right here to site, and then you should see site history right here. So here you can view and restore previous versions of your site. So just click site history and then click go to site history. So this should open in a new tab. So we'll just wait for this to finish loading. Now we are in the site history. So as you can see, I have a different history or different versions of my Wix website right here. So I have here from February 6, I have this version of my Wix website. So I was just testing out some different fonts right here. So that's why there is some random heading fonts right here along with different styles. We can also navigate through different dates right here for the previous version of the Wix website. You can see the date right here as well as the time of when you edited that specific version of your Wix website. So for example, let's go right here to January 26, and then we can click on the arrow so that we can see or preview the version of the Wix website. So it will take a while to load, and then now we can see the website right here. So if you want to restore to this version of your Wix website, you can just simply click restore. And then you can also have some custom names to your previous site versions right here if you want. And then for example, you can make the name like, for example, published website version 2, like for example, like that. And then you can click restore right here. So instead of just having the default name for the date and time, you can just have a custom name like this. And then, as I said, just simply click restore, and then as you can see, before restoring, close any other tabs where you're editing the site and check that nobody else is currently editing it. So we can just close this, then click restore. And then you can see that the version is restored to the editor, and then you can continue to edit your site. And then we can click edit site. It should open in a new tab, and then it should now restore the previous version of my Wix website. So we'll just wait for this to finish loading. Now that it's finished loading, we can see the restored version of the Wix website right here. So we have the font is different, along with all of the other details or other features right here of my Wix website. So it's different from what we have or what I have shown you earlier. And then that is it. So that is how we can restore a previous version of a Wix website. I hope you learned how to do it, and thank you for watching.